here we are on the Moscow Underground, and I think Katie's brought me to the opera. It's fascinating. You wouldn't believe this could be just one station on the Brown Line. Trains always run to time. And a little known fact is that on the clockwise direction, the men do the announcement, and on the anti-clockwise direction, a lady does the announcement in both Russian and English. Here we go. So there's an interesting fact about this, Katie. All these lovely stations are on what's called the Brown Line, which, according to legend, is a line that was built in a circle to mimic Stalin's teacup that he left on a map of Moscow. And then when he lifted the teacup off, he demanded that a line be built, an underground line be built to mirror his teacup. And hence nobody was going to argue with the great dictator. And the line was built, and it was built with all these magnificent stations on it, of which this is just another one. Shall we get on?
Yeah, let's do it.
That's amazing, isn't it?
It is incredible.
So this is also on Brown Line, and it's got all these stained glass windows. It's just a little jewel. It's phenomenal. Hey, hon.
I think it's a tribute to Soviet women.
Soviet women.